In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPML in WordPress. We'll walk through the WordPress.com flow to find the WPML tools you need, review their details, and start the setup so your site can support multiple languages and, for stores, multiple currencies. Begin on WordPress.com under the Sites section. This is your home base for managing sites tied to your account. Make sure you're looking at the site you want to work on, so the next steps apply to the right place. Next, head to the Plugins area. Use the search bar and type WPML. You're looking for the listing called WPML Multilingual and Multicurrency for WooCommerce. This is the official integration that brings multilingual support and currency handling to WooCommerce stores powered by WPML. Click the listing to open its dedicated page. On the plugin page, take a moment to explore its sections. Start with the description to get a clear overview of what the plugin does, how it helps you translate products, categories, and checkout flows, and how it can display prices in different currencies. Then, switch to the installation section to understand any prerequisites or version requirements. This is a good place to confirm compatibility with your current WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP versions. Next, check the changelog to see recent updates and fixes, which is helpful for stability and security awareness. Finally, open the FAQs for quick answers to common questions and tips on configuration details you might care about later. When you're ready to move forward, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to set up your site context, beginning with the domain step. If you need a new domain, use the search field to look it up and choose an available option that fits your brand. If you already have a domain you plan to use, select the option that indicates you already have one. This keeps your existing address and moves you straight into the next part of the flow. After you've made your domain choice, continue to proceed. Confirm the selections on screen and click Continue. This begins the process that will attach the WPML multilingual and multicurrency capability to your WooCommerce site within the WordPress.com environment. A few quick tips as you go. Review any plan requirements for enabling plugins on WordPress.com. Note any compatibility warnings in the Installation tab, and keep an eye on the changelog for updates after your setup. That's it. You've located WPML on WordPress.com, reviewed the key details,